Hello everyone, my name is Supriya Das Francis and I'm a Vedic math trainer. So we have a solution here. We are trying to find the solution through Vedic math, and this Vedic math works for grade 1 to grade 10 students, everyone. These are some easy methods where we are going to learn how addition can be done without carryovers. So today in this video we are going to learn addition through Dashakam. So open your notebook. What you are expected to do is, please open your notebook and start doing the sum along with me so that you will understand it better. Now what we are going to do, let's learn first who all are best friends. So I'll write down numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Best friend of 1 is 9, that makes it 10. Dashakam means 10, so we are making set of 10. The best friend of 2 is 8, that makes it 10. Best friend of 3 is 7, that makes it 10. Best friend of 4 is 6, that makes it 10. And best friend of 5 is 10. So we have set of best friends. Based on this, how we can calculate the longer addition method, you must see that. So the question is 73, 82, 91, 27, 38 and 19. If we have to add this, how we are going to do it? So what we are going to do, we'll find the best friend. We need to draw a line in between this and see what we are doing. Find the best friend of 3. Best friend of 3 is, who's best friend of 3? Best friend of 3 is 7. We are going to combine this together and write 10. Now 2, best friend of 2 is 8. That makes it 10 again. Best friend of 1 is 9 and that makes it 10 again. Let's count how many 10s are there. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. So what we are going to write? We'll write 30 here. I hope these steps are clear. Now what we are going to do, we'll find the best friend of 7. So best friend of 7 is 3. I make it 10. Best friend of 8 is 2, that makes it 10. And best friend of 9 is 10, that makes it 10. So 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. So here we write 30. And as I told you, how we are going to add this, we'll write 0 as it is. This 3 moves to 0. So 3 plus 0 is 3 and this 3 as it is. Our answer is 330. I hope this method is clear to you. You understood it. Let me give you a sum to solve and see how long does it take to solve it. So I'm writing 46, 84, 29, 67, 91. You need to add this. While adding this, it should not take more than a minute. If you can solve this within a minute, first step you need to remember, you must draw a line in between so that you can solve it easily. Find the best friend and it should not take more than a minute. You have set of best friends and you can calculate it easily. So once you are done it, and if you can solve this within a minute, please put it in our comment box section. And if you want more sums to practice, you can always request us. Okay, so children, I have given you this sum to solve, but to help you further, this is for the children who did not understand. I'm doing one more sum, so please pay attention here. Now the number is 86, 43, 72, 91, 54. All right. Now we need to draw the line and solve the sum. Let's find the best friend. Best friend of 6 is, as we can see, 6 and 4, they are best friends. So I write this best friend and I write 10 here. This step is clear? Now 3. Best friend of 3 is 7, but 7 is not there. 3 plus 2 plus 1. So we add this together. When we add this together, what we'll get? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 10 plus 6 makes it 16. So we are going to write here 16. Now move to the other side. Here we'll see what is the best friend. Now see, you may get these kind of sums where you will not get best friends. In that case, how we are going to solve it? So 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4, if you do, it's 12. So can we write it as 10 plus 2? So this is your best friend. One set of best friend we have. Now we have 2 and 9 and 7 and 5. Again, there is no set of best friends. So what we'll be doing? We will be combining this 2 with 9. 9 plus 2 makes it 11. So how we are going to write 11? Let me erase it and put it in this form. So I write best friend, and with best friend there's one another number. Clear? Now again 7, 1 and 5. 7, 1 and 5 does not have best friends available here. In that case, what we'll do? We will add 7 and 5. If we add 7 and 5, what do we get? We get, let me take this from here so that you'll understand it better. Now we have 10, this is best friends, plus 2 extra. Clear? Now, which is the number left which we did not attend? That is 2 and 1. 2 and 1 makes it 3. So I'm going to write 3. I'm going to write 3 here. Or leave this 2 and 1 as it is. Now we'll add 10 plus 10 plus 10. So 10 plus 10 makes it 20. 20 plus 10 makes it 30. And the loose numbers are 2 and 1. So 30 plus 3 is 33. I'm going to write here. Let's find the final answer here. 6 as it is we'll write. 1 goes to 3. 3 and 1 becomes 4. And this 3 we are going to write as it is, and there is our answer. Is this clear? I hope you understood this.